Aim of the experiment to separate and identify mixture of inorganic cations by paper chromatography. Material: petri dish, jar for mobile phase, Whatman filter paper, thread, solvent, that is mixture of 87% acetone, 8% HCl and 5% water. This is nothing but mobile phase which will be taken in the jar. This green color is the mixture of cations, inorganic cations, and remaining are the reagents for potting the cations. Fine capillary for giving a spot of the mixture on the strip of Whatman filter paper. Draw a line with pencil, a base line at a distance of 1 cm from the bottom, and another straight line at a distance of approximately 10 cm called as front line. Give a fine spot of mixture of cations on the baseline. This is the baseline. Give a fine spot of the mixture that needs to be separated. Let it dry and then put this strip of Whatman filter paper in the jar containing mobile phase. The strip should be vertical enough. There should be no bend. It should be straight enough. Put it into the jar, put a lid and don't disturb the jar. The mobile phase will move in the upward direction due to capillary action. Along with it, it will carry the cations in the upward direction depending upon its solubility. So every component of the mixture will move at a different rate. Once the mobile phase travels the distance of around 10 centimeters, take it out from the jar and keep it for drying for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the strip looks completely blank. We need to find out the position of metal ions using these reagents. So potassium ferrocyanide, apply this reagent one by one on the paper as you can see in this video. So potassium ferrocyanide, when it comes in contact with the Fe3 plus ions, it shows certain color formation, that is the complex formation is taking place. So here you can see it is forming a brown color or olive green color, different colored complex formation is taking place. This is DMG, dimethyl glycine, used as a reagent for nickel. So when it reacts, when you apply DMG on a paper, wherever there is a spot of nickel, it forms a complex with Ni2 plus, nickel 2 plus. Ammonium thiocyanate is another reagent which forms blood red color with Fe3 plus. So ammonium thiocyanate, when it reacts with Fe3 plus wherever present on the paper, it forms a blood red color. So here you can see it is forming a blood red color. So the topmost spot is of Fe3 plus, the middle one is copper 2 plus, and the bottom one pink color is Ni2 plus. Find out the RF values of these metal ions by the formula distance traveled by solute divided by distance traveled by the mobile phase. Solute is nothing but these spots. Thanks a lot.